Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to do a quick video update on some of the new modifications I've done to my modified SCX24 C-10 to make it a bit more capable as a crawler. First and foremost, I have to thank everybody who left a comment on my last video. That really gave me some good directions to go in when modifying the truck as it stands now, and also helped to make it just a bit more capable as a crawler overall. I appreciate everybody who pointed out some of the mistakes I made at first, and it really taught me a lot. So here's to hoping that this second round of mods will make it much more capable. The first thing I did is when we were at All Out RC in Ware, Massachusetts, I bought some Yeah Racing brass front knuckles for it. I installed my Hot Racing brass front diff cover, which got lost in the mail. I installed my aluminum steering link for my Emax servo, and I've also switched to some zippy lipos that are a little bit heavier than the stock battery, but again, since it's relocated up front, it helps to bring that front rear weight distribution to something that is a little more capable. Overall, it performs so much better than it did in the last video, and I've got a full video coming up of another stock mod comparison. Went out in the woods, went to the beach, shot some stuff, and my last video where I was actually at the beach is this modified C-10. If you forgot what my first round of mods was, that video link is going to be here or somewhere on the screen, so make sure you give that a click. And the round of mods that I just did is on top of what my first round of mods was. So now I have brass front and rear, but heavier front diff cover in the front, brass front knuckles, things like that. And it seems like the performance of this crawler is a night and day difference compared to where it was before. I've also got some Patagonias on aluminum beadlocks that I plan on switching out for what I'm running dry rock courses, but the Proline Hyrax tires seem to be the best all around since I've mostly been running at the beach and in the woods recently. Thanks everybody who liked this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, all the typical YouTube stuff. And thanks for everybody who has helped bump my channel to getting close to that 500 subscriber mark. Pretty cool milestone. And my ultimate goal, of course, is to get over 1,000 subs. So slowly but surely, I think we can make it happen. And stay tuned for the stock versus mod round 2 comparison video, because I think that really showcases how much more capable this truck has become. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.